Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to explore one of the very important and a new tool in 2025 that is specifically used for detecting whether the code is a AI generated code or it's a human written code. See, it's very much necessary because in the era of 2025, like we have GitHub Copilot, we have ChatGPT and so many other AI tools. So sometimes it's very important as a user to understand whether the code is human generated or AI generated. This is one of the best platform online available. So let's follow some steps. So first of all, you'll create a profile here using your email ID and password, and also you'll do that. Okay, so I created a profile using my email ID and all. Okay, so after you'll create the profile, so you can see yourself inside the portal. Okay, now inside the portal, why it's important to understand these three concepts which are given here. Number one is the option of dashboard, where you can see the dashboards, whatever things you are generated, whether the code where that is human generated or whether the AI generated code, all those reports you will be able to see here. Now if I go to the report section, so here you need to basically paste the piece of code which you want to check. Okay, and it's going to be very easy because it's a very easy process. That's why this is one of the good portal. And let me show it to you using a demo. Okay, so I do have a piece of code. So let's say this piece of code which is already AI generated, and I have segregated that. So now let me copy the code which is AI generated, and I will only copy till that particular area. So here only till here, let me copy it. Yeah, so till here I'll just copy, and after copy I'll go back to the code spy and control V. Now there are so many language options they have given, like Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++. So this code which I copied was in Java. Okay, so simply I'll click on analyze and the process will start that it's a AI generated code or not. So I already told you it's a AI generated code. So let's validate that. Let me click on analyze. So it's analyzing on the backend. It's very fast if you see, right? So you can see that it's showing that 98% of the code, there is a probability, there is a 98% likelihood that this is a AI generated code. Now it's showing mostly AI. Let me click on this. Once you click on this, so you can see this code contains a significant amount of AI. If you scroll it down, you can see the red color. Okay, the blood red color, specifically on those lines which are more likely to have been generated by the AI. And then you have a orange color. So orange color is something which is less likely, a bit less likely generated through AI. And all the black color, it's saying that that is not AI generated. But if you see this code, so it's showing overall 98% as generated by the AI. Now let me go back to the file which I had. Now let me copy the code created by the human. So let me copy this part. I'll just copy this and copy and going back. Yeah. So again, I'll just go back to the report area. I'll paste my code here. It's a big code. Again, make sure you selecting the right language. So it's Java. I'm clicking on analyze. It's taking a while, a bit of seconds only. In fraction of minutes, you'll get to know whether your code is human generated or not. So if you can see, it's only 2% out of 100. There is only 2 score given to probability of AI. Then 98% it's generated by the human or written by the human. So here you can see it's simply showing that this particular code is moreover written by the human. Only very less likelihood was found that there could be a AI involved in this. Okay, so that's how this platform simply tells you the breakdown. Okay, now let me talk about one very important pointer about this particular website. So let's explore this. So on the dashboard also, you can see that you have generated, this is the dashboard. It's talking about how many codes you have generated at the moment. So we check 2 codes, all of that is visible. Now the number of code you will increase here, it will be keep on showing it as a dashboard to you, that how many you have total examined as of now. Now here are the plans. Let me go back to a couple of more important things, then I'll show you the plans. So if you see in the report section, in the report, there is an option of this export also. If you click on the export, so you will be able to export both these codes which you have just checked. Let me click on export. So it's downloaded as a file immediately within fraction of a minute. So the first code it's showing, and then it's showing in the second tab the probability. If you see, this is the probability of AI. So in the second code only 2% which is written here, and in the first one it was 98%. So you can extract the reports also. It's very easy to extract the report. Now again go back to the website, and here you can see the project option also. So if you will create a project, so it will save by default also, and you will get multiple options along with that. Okay, now if I go to the dashboard, so see, there are multiple type of plan available here. Okay, so you can take different sort of plan using different, depending on the need actually. So how many licenses you need, how many users are there in your company or in your team. So depending on that, you can take the license from CodeSpy. And if you see, I click on the plan. So you see here, there are 4 plans. Okay, so in the free plan, you will only get 3 AI scans, and then you'll get AI detection in Java, C#, Python, PHP, and JavaScript, but only 3. No branded report, white labeling report, you'll not get, data export not available, and API. Because in my case, it was available, so obviously I do not have a free plan here. Now, if you see on the consultant level, okay, so $27.98 per month for individual, for business with less than 4 people. Okay, less than 4 people. Unlimited AI scan you can do, AI detection in the same language, and you will get the data export option also. White label report, branded reports you will not get, API addition you will not get. Now the third one, okay, in my case you can see this is the one which is active at the moment. Now the third one is the small business plan, okay, where you have up to 50 people. Okay, so unlimited AI scan you will get, then AI detection in Java, and branded reports is not part of that. White label, these two again are missing in this plan. Then data export and API is obviously there, that is very useful. Now the most advanced plan is about enterprise plan. So per month for business larger than 50 people, you can use this. Obviously there are so many companies, they want to use such kind of platform to make the things more clear for themselves, right? That people are not using AI very often, so it should be more human written, so to detect, make the process robust. Now in this plan you'll get unlimited AI, you'll get all the detection in all the language, then you'll get branded reports, white label reports, data export, and API. So ultimately in this plan you are able to achieve everything. Okay, now it totally depends on your need, that which of the plan you want to go for, and this is a monthly plan. If you go click on the yearly one, so you will be able to see obviously some discount there. So in the discounted way, I would encourage all of you, if you want to go for a single time payment, you should go for a yearly payment. If you want to go for like month on month payment, then there is a monthly plan. So this platform is very important for all those people who want to detect whether it's a AI written code or not. Okay, now let me make one thing very clear. Okay, in this platform you will be able to detect that the code is AI generated, but you cannot convert the AI detected code to a human written code. Okay, so that's a clear note which you should make here. Okay, only AI detected code service is part of that, and it will give you a clear picture. Okay, it won't convert the AI code to the human code. Guys, one thing also we should remember, that in this platform, the better your code is when you're submitting it, the fewer revision will be requested. Okay, and also to mention, an award winning study at the School of Engineering at NYU, okay, has shown that GitHub Copilot has already shown the dangers of AI code. Okay, using the following risk, obviously, because the code can be outdated. Okay, it can include error because of the memory malfunctions. Okay, sometime it takes to database that no longer do exist. So that is also a very important point. Now that was it about the overall website, and these 3 are very important options here. Okay, now the probability is very important obviously about the code, so you are able to achieve the proper clarity whether the code is AI written or not, and that's all I think. So if you like this video and if you want to use this particular website, you should definitely go for it. Okay. And if you like this video, found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this particular video with all the people who actually need it, in your friends, your colleagues. On that note, I will take a leave from all of you. All the best. Happy learning. Thank you so much.